Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a warm and soft video in CapCut. So just import your clip and first go to filter, click on the live tab here and then select the live to filter. Okay, this one, and set it to around 85. Now go back, go to the video effect, click on lens and find the soft effect and adjust it to your liking. So I'm going to go with around 15, and after that you are done, and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.